In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign a form in Jotform. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up the form which you want to assign, and then you want to go to the Publish tab up top, and from here you have a few options on the left, and then the fourth one is Assign Form. So click on that, and here you have two different settings you can choose from. So the first one is you could assign with the link. So for example, you could switch this from public form, which is available to anyone, to private form, which is going to make it available only for the assignees. I'm going to leave it on public right now, and of course you can copy that link, and if I open up my incognito over here and basically just paste that in, as you can see, it's going to allow me to basically go ahead and apply for this and basically do this form. So of course I'm an assignee. Or you could also assign this by email, so you can just type in that person's email address, and you can go ahead and set pre-fill if you want to, completely up to you if you want to do that. Or you could go ahead and basically just allow them to either submit only, submit and view later, or submit and edit later. And you could also add an invitation message, click on send invitation, and do it that way. So those are the two options you actually have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.